Hello there, all English learners. I hope you are doing great. I am John, and today I will teach you about how to use to, so, either, and neither. To, so, either, and neither are used when people have the same experience about something. To and so are used for the positive statement, while either and neither are used for the negative statement. Now let's discuss about to and so first. Remember, as I told you before, to and so are used for the positive statement. So I can say to and so are used when people have the same positive experience about something. Now, let's see the example. I understand about the lesson. You understand about the lesson. Now, let's use to first. I say, I understand about the lesson. You do too. I repeat, I understand about the lesson. You do too. Now let's use so. I understand about the lesson. So do you. Again, I understand about the lesson. So do you. Do you notice the difference? To is used after the helping verb, while so is used before the helping verb. Okay, let's reverse the sentence. You understand about the lesson. I do too. You understand about the lesson. So do I. Do you get it? Now let's go to another examples. We like fried rice. They do too. Again, we like the fried rice. They do too. Now let's use so. We like the fried rice. So do they. We like the fried rice. So do they. Let's use another example. She bought an apartment. He bought an apartment. Let's use to first. She bought an apartment. He did too. Again, she bought an apartment. So did he. Do you get it? Okay, let's go to another examples. Peter is a diligent worker. Jake is too. I repeat, Peter is a diligent worker. Jake is too. Now let's use so. Peter is a diligent worker. So is Jake. Again, Peter is a diligent worker. So is Jake. Do you get it? Okay, now remember, to and so are used for the positive statement. Now let's discuss about either and neither. As I told you before, either and neither are used for the negative statements. For example, I'm not in the office. You are not in the office. Now let's use either first. I'm not in the office. You are not either. Again, I'm not in the office. You aren't either. Now let's use neither. I'm not in the office. Neither are you. Again, I'm not in the office. Neither are you. Now remember guys, either goes after the helping verb, neither goes before the helping verb. Now let's go to another example. We don't work every Sunday. They don't either. Again, we don't work every Sunday. They don't either. Now let's use neither. We don't work every Sunday. Neither do they. Again, we don't work every Sunday. Neither do they. Peter was not in the building. Jake wasn't either. Peter wasn't in the building. Neither was Jake. Okay guys, I hope you can understand about these lessons because this is very easy. This is short and easy lessons. So I hope in the future you can use to, so, either and neither in a sentence easily. Okay, I will see you again on my next video. Enjoy your time and bye bye.